Hey there, welcome to the very first episode of our series on React. Now, don't worry if you've never heard of React before. By the end of this video, you'll get what it is and why it's super helpful for building websites. So, let's jump in. So, what is React? React is a JavaScript library. That means it's a tool developers use to build websites and web apps. It helps us create interactive websites where things change on the page without needing to reload everything. So let's make that easier to understand with Legos. Imagine you're building a Lego castle. Each piece of the Lego represents a small part of your website, like a button, a menu, or even a picture. React is like the instruction booklet for your Lego set. It tells you how to snap those pieces together to create something magical. Now, without React, you'd kind of be guessing where do all these Lego pieces go, which can get kind of messy. But with React, everything is organized and easier to build. Now, let's say you finished your Lego castle, but you want to replace one of those towers with a shiny new one. Normally, you'd have to carefully take apart a bunch of pieces to make the change. React works like a magical Lego board. If you want to change one part, like swapping out the tower, it lets you snap in the new one without messing up the rest of the castle. So that's why React is so special. It only updates the parts of your website that need changing, instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. This makes it super fast and efficient. Now that we know what React is and why it's so special, let's see an example of React in action using our Lego analogy. Now, this might look a little complicated right now, but don't worry. I'll explain it step by step. So looking at this code, the first thing we want to do is we want to bring in React. That's the import React line. It's like the opening of your Lego box. It gives us all the tools we need to build. Then if you look here, we have a useState React hook. So first of all, a React hook is something that stores your data in a component. It's like a Lego drawer that holds your current value. And in this case, it holds our current button color, starting with blue. And then we have a setColor function, which is a tool that lets us swap it for the red color later. Then if we come down here, we have a button. So we have a style prop that makes the button start with the blue color. And then we have an onClick prop, which listens for a click. When the button is clicked, it'll swap out the blue color for the red one. And then finally, we have to export our work. And that's what the export default app is. It lets React display our creation on a website. Think of it like putting your Lego masterpiece on a shelf for everyone to see. Now, this is just a sneak peek of what React can do. Right now, it's okay if you don't fully understand everything. In the next episode, we'll take things slow. We'll be setting up a React environment and creating our first React project. So stick around, and I'll see you next time.